This is the Journeys Together Pokemon pack I got from the guy named Chris at the Great Lakes Trading Cards. Let's see if I can get some nasty stuff in here. Okay. If I can ever open this. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. Rips up the good butt. We don't need that crap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, okay. So
Alright, yeah, why don't you kind of hold and see what do we get here?
No clue, but it looks like this is the one.
Some type of full art trainer or something?
Yeah, I think this is a good
Here,
one.
let me go. Here, hold up close to the camera so I can see it. Try to focus on it. Okay, cool.
Yeah, I think we should look this up afterwards.
We will.
And Reshiram, this is another one. This is a good one.
Let me see.
Legendary. So 2 good ones.
Alright.
Energy.
Okay. Yeah, you can just hold it like that. I can see him.
This guy. Ens Darumaka. Noibat. Alolan. Geodude. Ooh, Alolan gone. This is a good one.
For a second, let me focus it. Oh yeah, cool.
This guy's pretty good.
Alright.
And last but not least, Lono's Electrode.
Okay, see, the first card might have been the rarest one. But
second, it was second because this was the first one. Yeah, but that's
so
actually a really
show
good
up your good ones. Those first 2 and 3, right? Second and third card were the good ones.
These ones are the ones.
You can bring them closer so you can see. Alright, there you go. Oh, gotta put the pizza in. Alright, looks good. Alright, we'll get the pizzas going and we'll start next pack. Alright, what do you think there? Free pack from Chris?
Yeah, I think this is pretty good. This is for Chris. Thank you. I thank Mr. Chris for this pack.
For your birthday, he was like, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Free pack on the house here from Chris. He's a very nice guy.
Yeah.
We'll have to go back there another day for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.